Morning children, welcome to AyaansEasyMath. So the question is given if x to the power of x minus 1 whole square is equal to 2x plus 1, then what is the value of x minus 1 by x? So see, those who are new to this channel, like this logical, critical and tough problems will be uploaded in the easy way. So your subscription is very important. Subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends if you like the video. So here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about the problem. Can you do this problem? Any ideas are there? So here this is the simple way we are going to discuss the solution. So here first of all okay, let us take x minus 1 is equal to y. That implies we will get x is equal to y plus 1. So in the place of x, substitute y plus 1. What will get here? Y plus 1 whole to the power of y plus 1 minus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into y plus 1 plus 1. So wherever there is x, we are substituting y value. So LHS will become y plus 1. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Y square is equal to 2y plus 2 plus 1. So here the logic is here only. So if you take y plus 1 whole square, if you consider it as y plus 1 whole square, so here you will get 2y plus 1 plus y square. So here 1 is tallying with 1, 2y is tallying with 2y. So here y is equal to y square is equal to 2. Here also you can say that y square is equal to 2. So from this you can write that y square value is 2. Y square value is 2. So y is equal to root 2. So already we took y is equal to x minus 1. So here this is equal to x minus 1. So x is equal to root 2 plus 1. X is equal to root 2 plus 1. Then 1 by x is equal to reciprocal of this root 2 minus 1. So here he is asking to find x plus x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x is equal to root 2 plus 1 minus root 2 plus 1. So here root 2 get cancelled. You will get 2. So this is the solution for this. So here if you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.